would have thought that a small Turkish drone called the Bayraktar TB2 could change the face of modern warfare. On the other hand, the United States hypersonic missile technology promises speed and destructive power that has never been seen before. But what if we compare these two technologies? The Bayraktar TB2, a Turkish attack drone, has captured the world's attention with its success in various conflicts. From Karabakh to Ukraine, the Bayraktar TB2 is considered a symbol of the revolution in modern warfare that is cheap and effective. Meanwhile, hypersonic missiles are a breakthrough in military technology that can deliver fast and deadly blows to distant targets. With incredible speed and destructive power, hypersonic missiles are called game-changer or future war strategies. In this video, we will discuss two military technologies that are currently in the spotlight: the Bayraktar TB2 drone and the US hypersonic missile. We will compare their technical capabilities, strategic uses, and impact on the global balance of power. Bayraktar TB2 is the work of the Turkish defense industry that began to be developed in the early 2000s by Baykar Technology, with the vision of creating a cheap, tough and effective drone. Bayraktar TB2 has finally entered the global market and become a star on the modern battlefield. The drone has an operational range of up to 300 km, an endurance of up to 27 hours, and is capable of carrying a payload of up to 150 kg, including smart missiles such as MAM-L and MAM-C. With a sophisticated control system, TB2 can attack targets with high accuracy. Bayraktar TB2 has proven itself on real battlefields, such as in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, Syria, Libya and Ukraine. Footage of its attacks destroying tanks and heavy artillery went viral, making it a symbol of the effectiveness of drones in modern warfare. The main advantages of TB2 are its low cost compared to conventional fighter jets, operational flexibility, and its ability to carry precision strikes. Bayraktar TB2 provides an effective solution for countries with limited defense budgets. Hypersonic missiles are weapons capable of traveling at more than Mach 5 or 5 times the speed of sound. With high speeds and unpredictable trajectories, these missiles can destroy distant targets in minutes. The speed of hypersonic missiles reaching more than 6,000 km/h makes it almost impossible to intercept by modern air defense systems. In addition, these missiles have a very long range, making them ideal for strategic cross-continental attacks. The US, Russia and China are major players in the development of hypersonic missile technology. Each country is racing to create this weapon to ensure military dominance in the future. Hypersonic missiles are not only fast, but also difficult to detect by radar due to their unique trajectories. This capability makes them a very effective weapon in attacking strategic targets. Bayraktar TB2 drone. Speed: max 222 km/h. Operational range: 300 km. Cost: relatively cheap. Usage: reconnaissance, end attack. Destructive power: limited. Hypersonic missile. speed greater than 6.0 km, Q, operational range, inactism, thousands of kilometers, cost, very expensive, usage, strategic attack, destructive power, very large. The Bayraktar TB2 excels in flexibility, low cost, and ease of operation. However, its capabilities are limited to regional conflicts. Hypersonic missiles offer incredible speed and destructive power, but their high cost makes them inaccessible to many countries. The Bayraktar TB2 is ideal for asymmetric conflicts and precision strikes on small targets, while hypersonic missiles are better suited for strategic strikes on high-value targets. The development of these two technologies reflects the trends of future warfare: cheap and effective for drones, and fast and destructive for hypersonic missiles. Both have the potential to change global power dynamics. The Bayraktar TB2 is a symbol of the effective and cost-effective drone revolution, while hypersonic missiles show how high-speed technology can dominate the battlefield. Both technologies have their place in modern military strategy. However, their use depends on the operational needs and budgets of each country. Which technology do you think is more relevant for the future of warfare? Will hypersonic missiles become the new standard, or will drones like the Bayraktar TB2 continue to dominate? Leave your thoughts in the comments.